Oh, I need to get one of these so I can have like a Pokemon video. So I can like trade them all.
Like how?
And in it, because it autofocuses it, like... Oh, wait, I think so. Does it autofocus? Oh, yeah, it does. Let's see if it autofocuses like...
It's hurting.
What is?
The light.
What's the light?
The light.
Do you feel good now? That's not light for me. It's not life.
Oh, my boobs.
Whose phone is that?
Mine. I got it for Christmas.
Whose phone is that?
It's mine.
That doesn't look like.
Didn't you see me using it on Nathan's?
Huh?
Didn't you see me using it on Nathan's?
Let me see it.
No, I'm recording.
You liar.
It's like at Jamie's flaws.
Funky bitch. No one's laughing.
No, just so you can see. It's not like anybody's gonna see this video.